Right, so it's had a little bit more painting. There's a couple of things like the eyebrows. I actually saw him last night and the eyebrows need to be darker than this. And I put a coat of gloss on it, which I don't entirely like. I think I need to knock that back a little bit. Not that it needs to be like super realistic or anything, but I think I'm going to mix up some, I've got some gloss varnish and I've got some acrylic medium, which is matte. So I might mix a little bit together to get more of a satin finish and just go over the whole thing. And then I also yesterday made these little glasses, which are going to fit on him once I've finished. So they need a little bit of refinement, and yeah, I'm not quite sure how to do these yet because they're the actual glasses are, I've got different ones on today, but they're quite similar to mine in that they're like a, I don't know, like a slightly matte sort of translucent finish rather than completely clear, but obviously the lenses are clear. So I may sand over the whole thing, just knock it back a little bit so it's slightly rougher. And then I was thinking of just putting a dollop of either clear gloss or super glue just on the what would be the lenses, because that should make them go clear. I don't know, I need to figure that out. So that's the plan for today, and I've also got the I've created the artwork to go on to a piece of card, so I'm going to pull this clear plastic off, try and clean off the card that's stuck to it, and then create a new packet for it and then stick it all together. So yeah, I'm gonna have a coffee and then get on with that. Quick update, I've skipped a few bits because I was yeah, I was just so busy getting into this that I forgot to record, so sorry. We've got some glasses, the packaging bit has been printed off and had like a matte varnish put over it. It's been glued to a piece of card. I've managed to clear all the residue and stuff off the plastic, which was just with just hot soapy water and then scraping it off. So next step is to put the glasses on and put it in here. Here it is, the Pez. I'm really happy with it. I mean, it's the very first thing that I've actually 3D printed myself. I've had one thing printed in the past by a friend of mine, but to go from I basically created a model, printed it, painted it, figured out all the ways that you know Pez works and all the mechanism of it and stuff in 2-3 days maybe, probably 2 days solid, back to back. I mean, it's still morning. It's not even lunchtime here, so yeah, it's gone so fast. The print was perfect right off the bat, which is just insane. But obviously I did lots of research beforehand, so I kind of knew what I was doing as soon as it turned up. Yeah, I mean, it works, the mechanism all works. I doubt that it will ever come out of the packaging, but if it does, then he can use it. I don't know if the actual Pez sweets may be super glued inside the packet. Don't know, there may be a bit of a leak there. I think it's okay. But yeah, it's just so stupid, isn't it? Such a stupid, dumb idea, but it's come out really well. So I'm pleased with it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.